As you all know, we're celebrating our 50th anniversary here on Oklahoma Gardening. And in those past 50 years, we've come a long way from filming live down at OETA to what is now known as the Botanic Gardens here at OSU. Now, the Botanic Gardens actually started out as a small plot of land that was carved out of the research station and given to Oklahoma Gardening as their studio gardens. This happened in the late 80s, and of course, since that time, the gardens have grown a lot. So in recognition of that, we have placed about 16 signs around the Botanic Gardens here, showing you kind of how the gardens have changed over the years. This summer, we encourage you to come visit the Botanic Gardens at OSU and see how it was established from a few raised beds right here on Oklahoma Gardening. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.